Lee, and welcome to the desert southwest of the United States, New Mexico. And today's video is going to be on the portable solar generator. The funny thing is we made this generator about 7.5 years ago and never did a video on it. So today's your lucky day. So sit back and enjoy the portable solar generator. Well, here's the portable solar generator. First designed and built by myself back in the fall of 2010. This here actually is the prototype unit that I first made back then. Still has all the same components as it did the first day that I built it. So these components are 7.5 years old and still performing at their peak capacity today. So what do you say, let's open it up. And okay, starting out is a solar panel. All the base units come with a 175 watt monocrystalline solar panel. They all go into a Morningstar pulse width modulation charge controller. From there it charges a 12 volt 100 amp hour AGM sealed battery, and the AC output is provided by an Ames 1000 watt modified sine inverter. The circuit for the generator is actually very simple. Solar comes in, 2 lines in to the charge controller, positive, negative, charge controller out to the battery, and the battery leads out to the inverter, all 12 volt. All units come with a dual AC output and also a 12 volt cigarette lighter type output for the battery voltage testing, and also comes with a USB adapter as well too on all the generators. Okay, what do you say we disconnect the solar panel and close her up and wheel her over to our little project, which I'll show you in a second what it's going to be. Just disconnect our solar cords, and I tell you what, we'll just take this over right now. Here we go. Let's close the lid and wheel it on over. This is the item for demonstration today. We've got a dead tree on the property that we're going to be cutting down with an electric chainsaw. All complements of the power being provided by the portable solar generator. So first thing we're going to do is, of course, plug the solar back in again and open the lid. I'm going to turn on the inverter. There's a little switch here on the side, down below. Just give it a turn on and the fan should kick on. Okay, we are ready to plug in our load. Alright, we're ready to go. Got the solar panel plugged in to the charge controller. I got the AC cord plugged into the outlet. I got the inverter on. And I've got the chainsaw all hooked up, ready to go. Of course, one thing we can't forget is safety glasses. Always safety first, everyone. Alright, and here we go. Well, anyway, buddy, that's the portable solar generator provided by Front Range Renewable Energy. These systems are fully customizable. More solar panels, larger charge controllers, more batteries, larger inverter. All that can be provided. Anyway, I have some more tree cutting here to do. So anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Take care. As a little bonus treat here, I thought I'd videotape the big trunk being cut down. Of course, that's a pretty big thing for electric chainsaw. So let's see what it does. I like that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.